Behind every strategy, intervention, and experiment in this field lies a set of guiding assumptions. Understanding these principles, selectionism, determinism, empiricism, parsimony, and pragmatism, helps us see why behavior analysis is both scientific and practical. This is one of 5 sections under the heading of Behavioral and Philosophical Foundations on the BACB Test Content Outline, 6th edition. The BACB notes that 8 questions will be drawn from these 5 sections, so you can likely expect 1 or 2 questions on today's topic to appear on the exam. As someone who has taught history of psychology, taken philosophy courses, and in general finds this material fascinating, let's dive in, and I hope to make this material interesting and accessible to you. First up, we're going to talk about determinism. Determinism is the idea that behavior doesn't happen randomly. Instead, it follows lawful and predictable patterns shaped by environmental events. For example, if a child's tantrums increase after receiving attention, we assume there's a cause and effect, or functional, relationship at play. Determinism gives behavior analysts confidence that by studying antecedents and consequences, they can better describe, influence, and predict behavior. Next one we're going to cover is empiricism. Science relies on observation, and behavior analysis is no different. Empiricism means we gather knowledge through direct, objective observation of behavior. Rather than relying on intuition or speculation, behavior analysts collect measurable data, like frequency, counts of behavior, or duration measures, to understand what's happening. This commitment to evidence ensures that our conclusions are grounded in reality. Some famous empiricists that you might have heard of include people like David Hume, John Locke, and William James. Third, we have parsimony. Parsimony is the principle of simplicity. Always look for the simplest explanation that best fits the data. If a child starts misbehaving after reinforcement is removed, we don't need to invent complex psychological theories. Parsimony keeps science efficient, avoiding unnecessary assumptions while still respecting the evidence. Fourth is pragmatism. Pragmatism emphasizes practical outcomes. In behavior analysis, theories and interventions are judged by whether they work in real life. If a strategy reduces harmful behavior or increases learning, it's valuable.